are various fruits, vegetables and spices in the kitchen which, apart from making delicious and healthy dishes, can also be used for treating numerous health issues. Here you can find the recipe for an amazingly beneficial drink which can improve your overall health. The drink is commonly known as garlic milk. Ingredients: 500 milliliters of milk, 10 cloves of peeled and minced garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, 250 milliliters of water. Instructions: combine the water and milk in a pot. Next, add the garlic and put the pot on heat. Bring it to boil and then keep the heat on medium, stirring constantly until the mixture evaporates to 1/2 of the amount. Strain the mixture and add sugar. Consume while still hot. Health benefits of garlic milk. Asthma. Consuming 3 cloves of garlic every night will help you relieve the symptoms of asthma. Pneumonia. Regular consumption of garlic milk 3 times a week will help you successfully treat pneumonia. Cardiac problems. This mixture has the ability to reduce LDL cholesterol levels, prevent formation of clots, and improve blood circulation. For best results, it is recommended that you use skimmed or low-fat milk. Curing jaundice. Garlic is extremely beneficial in eliminating toxins from the body since it contains compounds which activate liver enzymes. The liver needs sulfur for detoxification and garlic is abundant in it. Furthermore, it is rich in allicin and selenium which stimulate the secretion of bile and reduce the fats in the liver. Consuming garlic milk in a period of 4 days will help you cure jaundice. Arthritis. Regular consumption of garlic milk will relieve the symptoms of inflammation and pain. Insomnia. Garlic milk is effective in treating sleeping problems due to the calming compounds contained in the mixture. Cough. When combined with milk, this drink can treat persistent cough. Garlic has powerful antibacterial properties which makes a great remedy for cough. You can add honey to prepare an excellent expectorant that will relieve cough. Tuberculosis of lungs. The sulfur found in garlic makes this mixture perfect natural remedy for treating lung disease. Combine 1 gram of garlic, 240 milliliters of milk and 1 liter of water. Bring the mixture to boil until it remains 1/4 of the starting moment. Take the remedy 3 times a day. Cholesterol. Taking warm garlic milk mixture on daily basis for a week will lower the LDL levels and will increase the HDL levels in the body. Digestive health. Garlic has strong antiseptic properties which can significantly strengthen your immune system and improve digestive health. Moreover, garlic is highly beneficial for the lymph and stimulates the elimination of toxins from the body. Also, garlic stimulates the secretion of digestive juices and relieves different types of diarrhea. Impotence. Garlic milk is very beneficial for treating impotence. Also, consuming boiled garlic cloves can fight infertility in men and women. Sciatica. This miraculous mixture can effectively treat sciatica pain. Regular consumption of garlic milk over a period of time will significantly reduce sciatica pain.